New wig alert! I got me a new wig from WoWEbony. Yes, and I am super hyped because I love their wigs. They're always done to perfection. This is their 360 Indian Remy Yaki straight wig, and let me tell y'all, this texture is everything. For some reason, I just love Yaki wigs better because I feel like Yaki hair is so thick and full. Yes, to the pre-plucked part, okay? I don't have to do any customized part because it's already here and ready for me. I'm also loving the pre-plucked hairline. They always come through with the nice baby hairs. I'm loving it. And I just can't believe that this wig came with a strap, y'all. The strap is already installed. Y'all know I love a company that does all the work because that's the reason why I like wigs. So I can just throw it on and keep moving, and I ain't really got to do too much. So let's get right into it. I'm just going to brush back these baby hairs with my toothbrush and some water. And then I'm going to pin the wig down to my mannequin so I can go right ahead and cut this lace off. Look at her, all nice and clean and ready to get put on. Yes, I'm loving the way this wig is looking already, and all I did was cut the lace off. So I already have like a detailed video of me doing the stocking cap method. I actually have 2 videos. That's not what this video is about. So yeah, I already have my got to be glued down. I'm just gonna dry it. I'm gonna move on to the next step, and that is actually cutting the excess cap off and gluing the cap down again. And then I'm just gonna throw my wig on, and that's it. Like, this process was so fast and so easy because I didn't have to do anything to the wig but cut the lace off. It already had a pre-plucked hairline, it had a pre-plucked part. I'm just gonna customize my baby hairs, and that's it.